SpecOPS is an agentic code generation system designed to transform a simple natural language idea into a complete, structured software project. Instead of generating code immediately, SpecOPS follows a structured software engineering pipeline that enforces requirements, architecture, and quality checks. At the beginning, the user describes the project in plain English. In this example, the user simply types, "Make a to-do list application." At this point, no technical decisions have been made yet. The input is intentionally vague. Rather than guessing, SpecOPS first asks a fixed set of clarifying questions. These questions are used to collect essential requirements, such as the programming language, expected features, deployment constraints, and user interface preferences. The user answers these questions directly in the interface. Here, the project is specified to use Python, include basic task management features such as addition, deletion, descriptions, and priorities, run as a standalone local application, and follow a bright, minimalist user interface design. The user also requests that the project be runnable directly from a main Python file. Once all questions are answered, SpecOPS merges the original project description and the user's responses into a single enhanced specification. This refined input becomes the foundation for the back-end pipeline. After the user clicks Generate Project, SpecOPS begins executing its pipeline. The first step is converting the user's input into a formal Software Requirements Specification, or SRS. This SRS is generated as a structured JSON document and validated against a predefined schema to ensure completeness and correctness. With the validated SRS in place, SpecOPS moves to architectural reasoning. Using a retrieval-augmented generation approach, the system selects appropriate software design patterns from a curated knowledge base. These patterns are chosen based on how well they satisfy the functional and non-functional requirements of the project. Once the architectural patterns are selected, SpecOPS generates the full project structure. This includes source code files, configuration files, and supporting assets such as documentation. All files are generated in a structured way, following predefined templates and pattern constraints. The generated project is then written to disk as a real folder. SpecOPS automatically initializes the project so it can be run and extended immediately. After code generation, SpecOPS executes multiple quality gates. These include static code analysis using Pylint, automated testing using PyTest, and security analysis using Bandit. The results of these checks are collected into a quality report, which is displayed in the interface. If the quality score does not meet the configured threshold, SpecOPS attempts to automatically improve the code by fixing detected issues. This self-healing process may repeat until an acceptable quality level is reached. Once the pipeline completes successfully, SpecOPS generates a detailed architectural explanation. This explanation describes the selected design patterns, the reasoning behind them, and how they satisfy the original requirements. The user can also view the generated SRS, browse all generated files, and inspect the quality report directly from the interface. Finally, the generated application is executed. Here, we can see the to-do list application running as a standalone program. The user can add tasks with a title, description, and priority level. Tasks are displayed in the interface and can be managed interactively. To demonstrate flexibility, another example task is added, showing that the application responds dynamically and behaves as expected. In summary, SpecOPS demonstrates how large language models can be combined with traditional software engineering principles. Rather than producing raw code, SpecOPS enforces structured requirements, architectural reasoning, automated quality checks, and explainability. This makes SpecOPS a powerful assistant for accelerating early-stage software development while maintaining engineering discipline.